So our first training today is our chemical training. These are our MSDS sheets. Our material data safety sheets give us information on the chemicals that we use on a day-to-day basis. It helps provide us with information in terms of our health, the risks involved and how to control it, and the safety that we need to take into consideration when using these products. So at Lawley's we use two hazardous chemicals. That would be our coffee cleaner and our oven grill cleaner. These are more of an irritant but are classified as hazardous chemicals. When using these chemicals, you are to ensure that you use your protective equipment, so it would be your gloves as well as your glasses, and depending on the chemical, you'll be required to use a mask. With all our other chemicals are non-hazardous, so all of our hand soap, glass cleaner, lemon disinfectant, our dishwashing soap, as well as our Freedom No Rinse are non-hazardous chemicals. You'll still be required to wear a glove. It does not have to be the rubber gloves, it can be just the disposable gloves. Depending on the quantity of the chemical that you use, you may be required to wear glasses as well. So if you're unsure on how to dilute the particular chemical, we have a sheet that is usually located by your dishwashing area or where the chemicals are kept, and that will help inform you on how each chemical needs to be diluted, as well as informs you on what the chemical needs to be used for. So when it comes to our chemicals, the first aid is required. So if you do accidentally ingest any of the chemicals, you are not to throw it up because you will aspirate it into your lungs, which will cause further damage. Simply rinse your mouth and seek medical attention. If you get any of these chemicals in your eyes, open the eyelids and wash thoroughly for about 10 minutes with cool water. If it does get in contact with your skin, remove it from your skin by washing it off and remove the clothing as well. With some chemicals, when inhaling, can be volatile to you, so just remove yourself from the particular area, go out for some fresh air. With any of these first aid requirements, if it is severe, please seek medical attention and ensure that you inform the manager on duty as well as the supervisor, and make sure you fill out the first aid treatment file and the incident report book. If you do seek medical attention, please ensure you take a copy of the MSDS sheet of the chemical that you were exposed to, as there are various chemicals in the industry and the doctors need to ensure they treat you in the correct way for the correct chemical.